In this problem, we have the integral of 10 cotangent to the fourth of 4t dt. Okay, so how we're going to tackle this problem, we're going to use this power reducing formula for cotangent. Okay, so we need to figure out what our a is and what our n is and what our x is. And in our case, here's the n. So n is equal to 4. And then a is equal to 4 as well. It's this number here. And then x is equal to t. Okay, so when we do that, we can write down this is equal to negative cotangent let's leave the 10 out front. So 10 times parentheses negative cotangent to the third of 4t divided by 4 times 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 4 times 3, which is 12. We'll do that in the next step. Okay, and that takes care of the first part. And then minus the integral of, and I don't have to put the 10 again because I put it out here, of cotangent squared, because it's n minus 2, and our n is 4, of 4t dt. And then close that bracket up. Okay, so that gets us down from a power of 4 to a power of 2. And then we can do that again. Okay, so this time my n is equal to 2. And my a is still equal to 4. And my x is still equal to t. Okay, so if I do that, let's put that 10 out front again. Okay, so I get negative cotangent cubed 4t, and then we'll change the bottom into a 12, minus, because of this minus, and now I'm going to use the power reducing formula with my new numbers. The only thing that changes is n is equal to 2. Okay, so this becomes parentheses, because I need to distribute the negative sign, of cotangent of 4t divided by a is 4, n is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, minus the integral of cotangent, and the power here, since the power was 2 and it's n minus 2, is going to be a power of 0 of 4t dt. Close your parentheses. Now this looks kind of odd probably, but anything to the 0 power is equal to 1 other than 0. So we're just going to switch this out here for a 1 and say that this entire term here is just a 1, and when we integrate it just becomes t. Okay, so let's go ahead and distribute the 10, distribute this negative here, and integrate this in our next step. Okay, so this becomes negative 10 cotangent cubed of 4t divided by 12. That can be reduced. Let's see. I didn't put the negative there. Didn't put the negative there. Okay, so we distribute the negative. Remember, the formula is both negative. Okay, so I didn't put this negative here when I wrote it down a second ago. But when you distribute this negative that was here with the negative in the formula from here, both of these terms become positive. Okay, so that's plus, let's distribute the 10, 10 cotangent of 4t divided by 4, and then distribute the 10, and this becomes, the integral of 1 becomes t, because we're with respect to t, and it's positive because this negative got distributed, so positive 10t plus c. And you can clean that up if you want. The 10 and the 12, the 10 and the 4, but that's done.